Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if it's your first time here. I'm excited about today's video. I'm organizing under my kitchen sink. A lot of times it is a space I neglect in my house, but that's about to change. In as much as I enjoy cleaning, organizing and everything in between, my life is far from perfect. I try as much as possible to show my real life before I can clean and organize any space. And most times it's a real disaster. Under the kitchen sink is no exception. Before we get started, how about you give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here? It helps a lot in growing my channel. Thank you so much and let's get started. Like you cannot organize a dirty space, I'm taking everything out, clean it, see what space I'm working with before I can organize everything back in here. I got some water and added a disinfectant. It is sufficient to clean the walls and the floors that were extremely dusty and dirty. If you want to maximize space under the sink, a tear roller comes in handy. It can keep a lot of things. I badly wanted it in white, but white was out of stock, so I got in pink. I'm cleaning it before I can organize back my bar soap, the Kleenex sponge, and the fiber cloths that I use for cleaning around the house. And here is the afterwards. I love how it looks, clean and organized, making it easy for me to access everything that I need on a daily basis. I'm never going for perfect when organizing. I'm really going for function and organizing things in a way that makes sense to me and makes me feel good. I hope I gave you some motivation and I hope that you enjoyed and loved the video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, inshallah, God bless you.